Hi everyone, welcome back to our website Tech Lab channel. In today's video, we'll learn how to activate two-factor authentication, or 2FA, for your WordPress login page using Wordfence. First, log into your WordPress dashboard, your WP admin panel. From the left sidebar, go to Users and then click on Profile. Scroll down and you'll find the Wordfence Login Security section.
Click on the Activate 2FA button.
To activate this, you need to scan the QR code using a mobile app like Google Authenticator. It is available for both Android and iPhone. Open the app, tap on the plus icon, and scan the QR code. Alternatively, you can manually enter the highlighted setup key into your phone. Once added, you will see a 6-digit verification code in the app. Enter this code into the field on your screen and click on Activate. Make sure to download your recovery codes in case you lose access to your phone. Now, let's log out and test the login page. Enter your username and password. You'll now be asked for a verification code. Open your Authenticator app, enter the code, and click on Login. And that's it! Your 2FA is successfully enabled. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel.